Welcome to our latest YouTube video, where we will be exploring the delicious and refreshing drink known as Rooh Afza. This iconic drink has been a part of South Asian culture for generations and has now become a popular drink all over the world. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the history, ingredients, and cultural significance of Rooh Afza. We will also show you how to make some amazing Rooh Afza-based drinks that are perfect for any occasion. Join us as we travel through the fascinating world of Rooh Afza and discover the unique blend of herbs, fruits, and floral extracts that make it a truly special drink. Whether you are a long-time fan of Rooh Afza or are just discovering it for the first time, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about Rooh Afza in this exciting and informative YouTube video. Let's get started. Rooh Afza, a quintessential summer drink syrup, has been a household name in South Asia for more than a century. It is a refreshing, thirst-quenching syrup made with a blend of herbs, fruits, and floral extracts. The syrup has a distinct rose aroma, a unique flavor, and a bright red color that is synonymous with summer. Rooh Afza has become an integral part of the summer food culture in the Indian subcontinent, and no Ramadan iftar is complete without a glass of Rooh Afza. In this video, we will delve deeper into the history, ingredients, health benefits, and cultural significance of Rooh Afza. History of Rooh Afza. Rooh Afza was created by Hakim Hafiz Abdul Majid, an Unani physician, in 1907 in Ghaziabad, India. Hakim Majid was a renowned physician and a man of many talents. He was an expert in the Unani system of medicine, a skilled calligrapher, a poet, and a philosopher. He created Rooh Afza as a herbal remedy to combat dehydration and heat stroke during the hot and humid summer months in India. The name Rooh Afza means refresher of the soul in Urdu, which reflects the essence of the syrup. Initially, Rooh Afza was only available in a small pharmacy in Ghaziabad, but its popularity quickly spread, and it became a household name in India and Pakistan. Hakim Majid's son, Hakim Abdul Hamid, continued the legacy of his father and expanded the business of Hamdard Laboratories, the company that produced Rooh Afza. Hamdard Laboratories is now a well-known pharmaceutical and FMCG company in South Asia, and Rooh Afza remains one of its most popular products. Ingredients of Rooh Afza. Rooh Afza is made with a blend of herbs, fruits, and floral extracts that are known for their cooling and refreshing properties. The main ingredients of Rooh Afza are rose petals. Rose petals are the most prominent ingredient in Rooh Afza, and they give the syrup its distinct aroma and flavor. Rose petals are known for their cooling properties and are used in traditional medicine to treat dehydration and heat stroke. Kaira. Kaira is fragrant water made from the flowers of the pandanus plant. It has a sweet, floral aroma and is used in many South Asian dishes and desserts. Watermelon. Watermelon is a juicy fruit that is high in water content and is a natural coolant. It is used in Rooh Afza to give it a sweet and refreshing flavor. Falsa. Falsa is a small, sour fruit that grows in South Asia. It is used in Rooh Afza to give it a tangy flavor and to aid digestion. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is a fragrant wood that is used in traditional medicine to treat heat-related ailments. It is used in Rooh Afza to give it a cooling effect. Lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit that is rich in vitamin C and is a natural coolant. It is used in Rooh Afza to give it a sour flavor and to enhance its cooling properties. Sugar. Sugar is used to sweeten the syrup and to balance the flavors of the other ingredients. Health benefits of Rooh Afza. Rooh Afza is not only a refreshing summer drink, but it also has several health benefits. Some of the health benefits of Rooh Afza are: hydration. Rooh Afza is a great way to stay hydrated. 2. Helps in digestion. Rooh Afza contains herbs and fruits like falsa and sandalwood, which are known for their digestive properties. Drinking Rooh Afza after meals can aid digestion and prevent bloating and indigestion. Boosts immunity. Rooh Afza contains ingredients like rose petals, kaira, and lemon, which are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. These nutrients help boost immunity and protect the body from infections and diseases. relieves stress. The aroma of rose petals and sandalwood in Rooh Afza has a calming effect on the mind and can help relieve stress and anxiety. It is a great drink to enjoy after a long day or during a break from work. Promotes healthy skin. The herbs and fruits in Rooh Afza contain nutrients that are beneficial for the skin. Rose petals contain antioxidants that can prevent premature aging, and Kera can help soothe the skin. Drinking Rooh Afza regularly can promote healthy and glowing skin. Cultural significance of Rooh Afza. Rooh Afza is not just a drink, but it is an integral part of the cultural identity of South Asia. It is a drink that is enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds and is a symbol of hospitality and generosity. During Ramadan, Rooh Afza is an essential part of the iftar menu, and it is served to break the fast. It is also a popular drink during Eid celebrations and is often served to guests who visit during the festive season. Rooh Afza has also been featured in literature, poetry, and music. It has been mentioned in several Urdu poems and ghazals, and it is often referred to as the sherbet of love due to its association with romance and nostalgia. Rooh Afza has also been featured in Bollywood movies and TV shows, and it is a popular drink among celebrities and influencers. Conclusion. Rooh Afza is more than just a summer drink syrup. It is a cultural icon that represents the hospitality, generosity, and traditions of South Asia. The blend of herbs, fruits, and floral extracts in Rooh Afza not only makes it a refreshing and delicious drink, but it also has several health benefits. Drinking Rooh Afza is a great way to stay hydrated, boost immunity, aid digestion, relieve stress, and promote healthy skin. Whether you are enjoying it during Ramadan, Eid, or just on a hot summer day, Rooh Afza is a drink that brings people together and celebrates the rich cultural heritage of South Asia. Thank you for watching our video on Rooh Afza. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history, ingredients, and benefits of this delicious drink. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you tried any of the Rooh Afza-based drinks we showed you today, let us know how they turned out. Once again, thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks for watching.